everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for Sample Stash Monday. If you're new to my channel, what I do is I pull samples, use them for the week. At the end of the week, I review those samples and pull new samples. So let's get started. Let me get out what I had in my box. The first thing I had was the Marc Jacobs Daisy. Now, I like it okay. I know I've used it before. I think in the past I've said I don't like it. I think by using it more, I do like it. I like it okay. I wouldn't purchase a bottle of it, but I do like it okay. So I think maybe my thoughts on it have changed a little bit. I can't remember what I used to think, but anyway, there we go. Next, let's do makeup. My Smashbox primer, you guys know, I like it. On with the next thing, it's the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. I used both, and they both looked fine on me. They both did good. I could probably get more off of this. Not really. See, it's not really coming off. So, but I liked it. I liked it all right. Next, for skincare, I had the Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This is a nice moisturizer. I've had samples of it. I like it. It has a nice, I believe it has a scent. I got a little bit left here. I believe I remember it having a scent. Yeah, just a really light, fresh scent to it. I did like this. And then I had the Sunday Riley Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contouring Cream. I liked this. I really did. Now, it's expensive, so I don't know if I would purchase it. But it has caffeine, lutein, and horse chestnut in it. But I liked it. I really like that product. And then, last for body, I had the Nivea Body Lotion in aloe vera. And this was nice. The one I just had in my Project Pan, it has no scent. This at least has a little bit of a scent to it. So, oh, there we go. I got a little out. Yeah. And it's an aloe vera scent. And to me, this, because it's aloe vera, it reminds me of vacation. Because you have the aloe vera gel you put on your sunburns. So, I enjoyed that. If I were to buy another Nivea lotion, which I might one day, not anytime soon, I would buy the aloe vera one instead of the one that I did purchase, just because it has a nice scent to it. Now, let's pull some samples. Alright, first, fragrance. I did go through my fragrances and I did not find any more of those Jo Malone. There are quite a few Daisy by Marc Jacobs in here, by the way, but no more Jo Malone, so. Oh well. Okay, this one is one without a spray, but I'll use it. Guess Dare. I've never heard of Dare by Guess. I guess you can see that. Haha. Guess. There we go. I'm not going to smell it right now because I don't want to pull the stopper out and get it all over me and, you know, all that good stuff. Alright, what do we got here? Makeup. Two makeup. We're getting low. They really drop when I stop shopping. Stop getting samples. Okay, here's a tube. What are you? Okay, Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. I don't think I've used that before. That sounds good. See if I can get a card or a packet. Look, two things here. I want this one. Alright. NARS Liquid Blush. This is probably an orgasm. Yeah. It's an orgasm. We'll try that out. I'm okay with that. Next is skincare. Two skincare. Here. Packet. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. I have a full-size tube of this I keep in the bathroom that I use, but I'll use that this week. And another little packet. 2-dose packet resurfacing compound. U-Beauty. Apply half the content morning and half the content night. If sensitive or dryness occurs, use once a day or alternate days. For best results, allow layer to fully dry and finish with moisturizer. Can also be used around the eye area. Avoid use of other resurfacing products while using U-Beauty. Okay, I'll use that one day. And then last, I have hair or body. It was nice having a body product this last week instead of a hair product. Okay, alright, what is this? Bliss Fat Girl Slim Arm Candy Arm Perfecting Cream. I need that. Massage onto skin in circular motions for 20 to 30 seconds, starting at the upper arm and working your way down to the wrist. As part of your body bettering routine, we suggest using it in conjunction with regular exercise, healthy diet, regular vigorous massage, and the rest of the Bliss Fat Girl Slim regimen. Get the word out. Alright, there we go. So, let's go over what I've got. Arm cream, which to me, I'm just going to come out and say sounds gimmicky. Could I use it on my legs? If it's supposed to firm my arms, wouldn't it firm my legs if I wanted it to firm my legs? It's a cream. It sounds gimmicky. Alright, keep going. The resurfacing compound, which by U-Beauty out of Jacksonville, Florida, and Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion, so therefore these cannot be used on the same day. This Quench Rainforest of the Sea Hydrating Primer. Sounds good. The NARS Blush. And Guess Dare. So there we go. That's the samples for the week. I am looking most forward to trying out this primer. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Stay safe, stay well. I'll see you next time.